I'd be almost ashamed to put the welder on that. Would you have a look at that mess I got there? It's a pain in the butt. So, what I'm going to do about it is build a little platform for the TIG to sit up about there. And I've got storage underneath, have some hooks out the side. And I'll have the cables wrapped around that. And we'll be off to the races. All this stuff was on top of the MIG. Now I've got some room to work with. I can't use that whole space because I still got to allow for this to open, so I get the spool and the MIG consumables. So I've got from about here, that mark there. Then I've got to, when the TIG raises up, I've got to have it so I can still plug this in. Which gives me about that much room. Which is plenty. So I'll measure that. And measure up the rest of this area. Put the TIG welder back on here because I want to use it to TIG up my little table thing. Been thinking I don't want just a ordinary four-legged little stand. I want something different. So this would be the black one would be the front, or the coloured in would be the front, and then the clear one would be at the back. So 2 Z frames, and then the top would be joined up here. I want to do miters, and then I was thinking I might be able to delete the one that joins the bottom together because I don't want anything down there. I want to open like this. So I'm going to see what I can do. It's going to be fun, I know it. Got all my miters cut, cleaned up, it's all square. Time to TIG weld it.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down.
I've had prettier welds with my MIG, but it's all practice, isn't it? Need practice. Missed a little bit there, but that's fine. Not concerned about that. But it didn't warp. It's still sitting flat on the table, which I'm happy about that. Now, onto the Z bits. So basically just a diagonal with a flat bottom.
Short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Let me show you these welds on top before I get rid of them, because I've decided what I'm going to put here. They're not the best looking welds. They definitely penetrated, but they're not horrible either. I've definitely done worse. Yeah, and I grind them off and then put this piece of this anyway. This is aluminium. It's got the blue protection on it. I'm probably gonna pop rivet it or screw it. I don't know yet. I know I can't weld it. Not to steel anyway. So I'm gonna grind these flat, cut a bit to fit, attach it, and then I'll scuff it all up and paint it. I'm gonna leave all my welds exposed. Like, they're gonna have paint on. I'm not gonna grind. The only ones I'm gonna grind are these top ones, just these 4. And then that way it'll be a constant reminder to improve my TIG welding, because they're not horrible. That one's not really a weld, it's just fusing the 2 metals together. There's no adding material. But for my inexperience, they're not too bad, in my opinion. You can let me know what you think, but that's just my opinion. That kind of looks wider, but it's not. It's just the welds stick out a bit. Anyway, get it ground up, cut the aluminium.
Straight ahead. No man can do like I can. I'm the queen of the land. Haters gonna hate. Won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law and you've been served. 1 by 1, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not. Time for a girl on time.
I like it. I like it a lot. This is a lot more tricky than I thought with a hand drill. If I had to use the drill press, it would have been a bit more sturdy. But that doesn't matter. It's neither here nor there. Looks cool, and well, you won't see a lot of that. The bar will be sitting in the middle of it. Got the chain, hook the leads around. Got plenty of room underneath. And this still opens up. Perfect. And now I'm gonna throw everything on it. There we go, it's a bit more user friendly. I've got a lot of filler rod. It's all mild steel. Some consumables, got some MIG dip. I realised that Unimig is made by Jasic. And I bought my Jasic, a good 8, probably even 10 years ago. This MIG, and it's an absolute brilliant welder. Got TIG, MIG, PowerPoint, power cables there. That's a 15 amp plug, 15 amp plugs, so these are 15 amp machines. I can do aluminium, which I'm hoping to have a go at soon. I have no idea how to weld it. I've watched a few YouTube videos, but you know, you can watch them all day long, but when it comes to doing it, it's completely different. Anyway, I'm very pleased with that. Very pleased indeed. I don't have to have the filler rod on there. It's, you know, showing that with this design I can put stuff in there. It usually lives next to the other pack of filler rod. Anyway, I'm very happy. pleased and all. If you like the video, leave a like. If you want to know anything, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.